Hi, today we are going to learn how to solve exponential inequality and then log inequality. So first let's do exponential inequality. So when you make same base all the time, like equation, you make same base. So this is a 2 and then this 4. 2 I can make it 2 to the second power, so I can make it same base 2. So I make it 2 to the second power with this x power 2 to the 2x power and bigger than 2x plus 3. Well, base is bigger than 1 and then same, then you can even cancel out with the inequality. So this is a 2x bigger than x plus 3. Easy, simple. You need to combine the variable first, right? So minus x, I cancels out. X bigger than 3, that's answer. Simple. But this is like a 1/3, 1/9. That's 3 there, 3 to the negative 2 power. Yes, 9, 3 to the second power, 3 to the third, negative 3 power. So 9 is 3 to the negative 2 power. So 3 times 3, so 9, 1 over 9, and 1 over, that's negative power. So 3 to the negative power is 1/9, and 2x power was there. And 9 is 3 to the second power. Also 1/9. 3 to the third, 27, 27 is 3 to the third power because of 1 over 3 to the negative 3 power, and x was there. Now power to power I can multiply, so negative 2 times 2x, that's negative 4x power. And now this is negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Multiplying up the exponent with the same base, then you add exponent, so 2 plus minus 3x, which is 2 minus 3x power. Yes, we made the same base, 3 both sides, then I cancel that out. So minus 4x smaller than 2 minus 3x. I can combine 3x minus 4x minus 3x. I add 3x here, I add plus 3x here. So I cancel that. So this is a minus x smaller than 2. Still I need to get rid of minus, so that's minus 1 times x, so I'm going to divide minus 1 here, minus 1. But when you divide a negative or multiply a negative number, this inequality sign should flip it, so like that. So this is x, and this is a 2, minus 1 divided, that's negative 2, that's answer. Okay, so not that hard. And 5 and 100. 100, you cannot make it 5 to something power because 5 to second power 25, 5 to third power is 125. So it's between like a 2 point something. Still you cannot make it. In that case, solve equation, same inequality, you need to take the log. So when you take the log, both sides you can take same log. So let's use calculator. You need to use calculator, or usually has a common log with the base 10. You don't write it 10 anymore, or ln, but let's use a base 10 log. So I'm going to take both sides same log base 10. Base 10 and 100. Yeah, this is a 10 to second power base 10. So this is a 2. Without calculator we can do it. But this one can come down and front of log. So x minus 2 and log 5. And this is a 2, right? So now you need to divide by log 5 both sides, x minus 2 here, 2 over log 5. This one without calculator you cannot do it at all. So if you use a calculator, this one is about 2.86. So x minus 2, you need to use it, 2 divided by log 5. Using calculator, that will be about 2.86. So I add to both sides, So final answer, x is smaller than 4.86. So that's the answer for this one. So exponential inequality can solve that way. But not now log. So log, when you solve log inequality, you need to make one side, both sides should have one log. So this one you can combine, yes, log base 2 same, then you can combine. But when then subtraction, then augment the minus the division, right? And then that's 2 there. So you can change it to log to exponents by making this base 2, and then this you swapped it to the second power, and then x over 3. You can do it that way. But today we're gonna do it a little differently. So now log here, base 2, and then this 2. So this is a log base 2. So I'm going to make it log base 2 on this side too. So when you do that, base 2, then you multiply log base 2 and of 2. This is because this is 1. You can multiply 2 times 1, that's itself. So you can multiply this here. Log base 3, then you can multiply log base 3 of 3. Okay? And base 10, log base 10 of 10. You can do everything that's 1, so I'm going to multiply it there. Then this 2, this one can go up to the power of the augment, right? So then now what? Base log 2, log base 2, right? Same, then you can cancel this out. So x over 3 smaller than 2 to the second power is 4. So you multiply 3, x equals smaller than 12. That's the answer. Okay, that's kind of easy. But now, you need to make same base log right there. Then you can combine. So log base 10, right? That's nothing means base 10. Then multiply augment, so x minus 2 and times x here. And then on the right side, log base 10 of 3 right there, right? So this common log. Oh, base 10 and same, just one log, then you can just cancel that out. Then this becomes quadratic inequality. So I distributed x squares minus 2x, bigger than 3, but you need to make one side 0 for to solve quadratic, right? Now you can factor this one, x here, and this 3 and 1 here. So factor of 3 and 1, that's negative, 1 should be negative. 3 sum is negative 2, that's negative, that's plus. So this one, x minus 3 and x plus 1 is bigger than 0. So here x is 3, x is negative 1. The equation, that's the answer, but inequality you need to find the interval. So negative 1 here, 3 here. So quadratic, we draw quadratic like parabola, like this, right? But bigger than 0 is, this is a little line. So bigger than 0 is above, right here above the 0, right? So answer is going to be x bigger than 3 or x smaller than negative 1. But log, all the time you need to check the condition. Condition of log, base, and augment, both of them should be bigger than 0. So this should be bigger than 0. This augment should be bigger than 0. So x bigger than 0, but x minus 2 bigger than 0. From there, x should be bigger than 0. That's the condition, right? So x bigger than 0, that include bigger than 2. Include that. So should be bigger than 0, only the answer. So it's 2 here. 2 here, so bigger than 0. So only this is the answer. This is not bigger than 0. So x equals bigger than 3 is the answer here, right? Okay, but just in case, so let's everything same. But here, inequality is opposite side. Let's say like that. Then everything is same. Only when you draw the line here, negative 1 and 3, and that will be bigger than 0, 1, bigger than 0, 1 is this part. So answer is going to be minus 1, bigger than minus 1, and smaller than 3. But condition here, because of this, x bigger than 2, right? So x bigger than 2, only that's the answer. So bigger than 2, this is should be bigger than 2. And among this interval, you take only this part. So x bigger than 2, bigger than 3 will be answer when this is inequality this side.